rage on internet is about that the story is about Cassie and Maddie and about their friendship basically, right? But no, it's about Rue. The show is about her spiritual journey, her spiritual discovery, her connection with God, her role and participation as a witness, as an observer, how as an observer she has this ability to influence the narrative around her. And even Bishop points that out, that Rue is cursed.
I'm of the belief that certain people are cursed. Ever since you came around, it's been a cascade of trouble. Something about you gives me the heebie-jeebies.
So this is not curse, this is her curse is a blessing in disguise, only not for herself but for, I guess, society in a bigger way, in a larger way. Irony is Rue ends up becoming the biggest hero without her realizing, without even the people around her realizing that. The season begins with her telling that Christian family that she's on the way to expose these evil people for the college magazine, something like that. She was just expressing her truth in whatever way she knew, even if it was by lying. Sometimes people like this namelessly end up becoming the reason sometimes for greatest things to happen. And we can even see in one scene where Rue comes across an actor dressed up as Batman, just telling her that someone needs to watch over the city and the crime is increasing and someone needs to do something about it. And Rue being just, yeah, totally cool. And it is poetic how she ends up becoming someone who unknowingly fights that crime. In a way, she's a genius, but even she does not know she is a genius, because she's being driven by a force which is larger than her, and she doesn't realize this, that she had always been guided through this larger force. Only she ends up discovering it very late, that okay, there is a force greater than her that is driving her, but it was ever since she was born perhaps which was getting her to do that. Maybe this is why she felt too much, and this is why she was not able to anchor herself in a place that had too much going on around her, and this is why she needed drugs to feel normal around in a world like this. Throughout the series and this season particularly, trying to fight for redemption, but she does not know she was always on that path, always. It was just her energy, her presence that ended up exposing everything around her. The show comes full circle. The Christian family is praying the Lord to guide her path, and which is what basically ends up happening. She was already doing Lord's work